Okay, this time I will show you how to install JavaFX SceneBuilder on Windows 11. Let's go to Gluon's website. Latest version is 23.0.1 for Java 21 or higher. I will download Windows installer. On Windows 11, you may need to say install anyway. Okay, next. Try to remember install directory. Next, install. Let me quickly demonstrate how to config with NetBeans IDE. Goes to Tools, Options, JavaFX. If it's the first time, it's going to ask you to download JavaFX implementation. Install. If everything goes as it is, it will disappear. Let's check Tools, Options, JavaFX. Okay, that's already linked. That's all. Thank you.